Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is another episode of Grammar Yan. If you are new to this channel, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload a new content. For this video, I will be sharing with you 10 basic grammar rules. Are you ready? Let's go! Rule number 1. The pronoun you always comes with a plural verb. Example, you are happy. You need to see a doctor. Rule number 2. The helping verb am is only used with the pronoun I. I am Teacher Ian. Rule number 3. Plural verbs will never need an apostrophe. I'm gonna say that again. Plural verbs will never need an apostrophe. Rule number 4. The suffix full is spelled with a single L. Graceful, joyful, bountiful, beautiful. Rule number 5. Some verbs stay the same regardless of their tense. Example, quit, shot, hurt, cut. You don't change how they are spelled because they stay the same regardless of their tense. Rule number 6. The English language has 7 coordinating conjunctions, and you simply have to remember fan voice. For, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Fanboys. Rule number 7. Articles are not among the 8 parts of speech. Noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, prepositions, conjunctions, and interjections. However, some teachers and some books will give you 9 parts of speech, and that is when articles come in. Rule number 8. A semicolon may be used to connect two related independent clauses. They may function like your coordinating conjunction. So when you use a semicolon, drop your coordinating conjunction. Example, we need to learn how to deal with change. Semicolon, it's the only thing constant. Rule number 9. Information is a mass noun, also known as uncountable noun. So you don't need to add the letter S to make it plural. Simply say information. Rule number 10. When written with a noun, the adjective should always precede or come before the noun. It's such a beautiful day. It's their maiden voyage. It's a scary reality. This is our new normal. So that's it for our 10 basic grammar rules. I hope you learned something from this video. And if you did, give it a thumbs up, share the video, and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload a new content. Continue learning, and I'll see you next time.